Hello guys, welcome to the unit 5 of the software engineering. In this unit we are going to explore one of the most critical phase of the software development, the testing and the maintenance. Software testing is the essential to ensure that the product is working correctly and meets the user's expectations. We will dive into the different types of testing and strategies that help developers to identify and fix the bugs in early as possible. Then we will explore the tools and the techniques used in the testing process. Finally, we will look at the concept of software maintenance and how it keeps the software running efficiently after the deployment. So let's get started. So now the types of testing and strategies. Software testing can be classified into different types based on what aspect of software is being tested. At first, the unit test or the unit testing checks the individual component or the modules to ensure each part functions correctly. Integration testing examines how different modules interact with one another. System testing evaluates the entire system to see if it meets the requirements or not. There is also the acceptance testing, which is done by user to validate whether the product meets their needs or not. Different strategies guide these tests, such as the black box testing, which focuses on the external functionality without knowing the internal code, and the white box testing, which looks into the internal working of the code to verify the logic and the flow. Finally, the regression testing. It ensures that new changes don't negatively impact the existing functionality. Using these strategies allows the developers to test the software in a structured way. Okay. So now the testing tools and techniques. There are a variety of tools available for automating and enhancing the testing process, like the Selenium, for instance, is a popular tool. It is used for automating the web application testing, allowing the test to be run across the multiple browsers. Also, like JUnit is a commonly used for unit testing in the Java application, making it easy to test individual methods. Jenkins is a tool for continuous integration that automates the testing process, ensuring that every change to the code is tested in the right way. Techniques like the equivalence partitioning divide the input data into the sets that should behave similarly, reducing the number of test cases. Like the boundary value analysis, it also focuses on testing the edge cases, such as the maximum or the minimum value. Like the smoke testing ensures the basic functionalities work correctly before deeper testing begins. Automated tools paired with efficient techniques allow the testers to quickly identify the issues and ensure the quality of the product. So now the software maintenance. Once the software is deployed, the work does not stop there. Software maintenance is a continuous process that addresses the evolving needs of the software and its environment. It includes the corrective maintenance, which involves fixing the bugs or issues found after the software has been released. Okay. Adaptive maintenance. It adjusts the software to meet the new environment or the hardware, like where an operating system is updated. The perfective maintenance. It enhances the existing features to improve the performance or the user experience. Preventive maintenance involves making the changes to prevent the future problems, ensuring that the software remains stable and easier to maintain in the long run. Software must be regularly updated and adapted to meet the new challenges, which is why maintenance is such a critical part of the software lifecycle. Without the proper maintenance, software can quickly become obsolete to failure. Okay. So that concludes the unit 5 of the software engineering. In this unit, we explored the different types of the software testing, such as the unit, integration and system testing, along with strategies like the black box, white box testing. We also discussed the testing tools and techniques that help this streamline the process, and finally we covered the importance of the software maintenance in the keeping the software functional, efficient, and also the up-to-date manner. Testing ensures that your software works correctly, while maintenance ensures it continues to perform over time. Stay tuned for the next video where we will dive deeper into the advanced testing strategies and tools. Thanks for watching. See you in the next time.